Good morning, students. In this video, we will learn about a person who inspires every Indian, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, chapter number 4 of class 6th. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Origin means the country, culture, etc. that a person comes from. Kalpana Chawla believed in dreams. She believed the path from dream to success does exist. One needs to have the vision to find it, the courage to get on it. So I'll begin with the intro of the chapter. In 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was a part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. I'll tell you the meaning of the underlined words. Indian American means Americans with ancestry from India, means the members of the family members who lived a long time ago in India. Crew means a group of people working together. Space shuttle is a vehicle in which people travel into space. Aboard means on a train, bus or aircraft. Mission means somebody is sent somewhere to do an important official job. Tragedy means an extremely sad mishappening. So Kalpana was the first Indian born American woman who went in space shuttle, Columbia in 1997. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia with Kalpana Chawla was ended in tragedy, killing her and all the other crew members. So there was a news report that tragedy in space, US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. The meaning of the underlined words: unprecedented means something which had never happened before. Streaked means moved very fast. Texas means Texas is a place where it's supposed to land. Altitude means height above the sea level. Now I am going to explain you these paragraphs. It was a very good shuttle. US Space Shuttle was a very good space shuttle. First time it was launched on April 12, 1981, and it served for 22 years. It had completed 27 missions before being damaged during its re-entering orbit on Saturday, 1st February 2003, resulted in death of all the 7 crew members. The shuttle lost its contact with NASA about 9 am when it was coming towards the land. It started its journey on 16 January. It could happen 100 flights but was damaged in 28 flights. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamt as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Karnal is a small place in the state of Haryana, and as a child, she never dreamt she could ever go to space. Frontier means boundaries of the space. So she has never dreamt she could touch the boundaries of the space. Once she has completed her school, it was a big deal with her parents to go to engineering college after she has graduated from the Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. As she got her bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering, her father was not ready to send her to United States of America, but she went for the master's degree to the United States of America, where she has earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who went into the space to participate in a successful mission. Launchpad means the area on which a rocket stands to send into sky. So her family members from the small town of Karnal, along with the crew members of Kennedy Space Center, they cheered, they encouraged, they cried with happiness when they saw the Columbia lift off. Means the space shuttle was going from Earth to space. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Naturalized means a process which means a legal act or process by which a non-citizen of a country can acquire a citizenship or nationality of other country. Flight instructor means who teaches others to fly aircraft. This was her first journey in 1997 in space shuttle, although she was born in Karnal, Haryana. But later she became naturalized US citizen as she was married with the flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was a pilot and she can fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She can also teach others how to fly the aircraft. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. After qualifying as a pilot, she began to consider another challenge. Consider means think carefully before making decision. That is applying for NASA Space Shuttle program. In NASA, she was hired as a research scientist. Hired means to employ someone to do a particular job. Research scientist means who carry research on various things. After that, in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what she was like being a woman in a field? She replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. Astronomy is a field which is dominated by male. There are not many females in this field. So when she was asked what, like being a woman in this field, she replied she never thought that she is pursuing her studies or being anything else, that she was a woman or girl from a small city or from a different country. She has a dream and she followed them, and luckily people also encouraged her. They also encourage to follow her dream. They said, do and carry on what you want to do. Pursuing means to continue to do something. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Kalpana's first space mission was for about 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. That means almost 16 days during which she revolves around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers, in which the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew, they performed experiments such as pollinating plants. Pollinating means to put a fine powder into a plant or flower so that it produces seeds, and they observe food growth in space. They also made tests for making stronger metal and faster computer chips, whose price tag was $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana Chawla and the crew had somehow survived. So on Saturday night, everybody was shocked that this tragedy could not happen. The town where Kalpana Chawla was born, the night was sleepless. Disbelief means they could not believe anything. The town was sleepless and all the people were stick to the television. They just glued to their television. They wanted that this news had not happened, that Kalpana Chawla and her crew had survived. But unfortunately, it was not true. Kalpana Chawla and along with other crew members were killed in this tragedy. So a journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge. To be an astronaut, her achievement is awe-inspiring. Enormous means with lot of abilities. Super specialization means you have to specialize in every field. Encyclopedic means you must have the knowledge of everything. Awe-inspiring means very impressive. A journalist wrote she was a heroine. And to become an astronaut, it takes enormous ability. You need to know about everything, biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. And in this age of super specialization, you must have the knowledge of everything. So, being a girl from a small town, and she became the astronaut in NASA, which was very, very inspiring. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." She said that where there is will, there is a way. If you can dream, you can achieve it. You just need to have the vision and courage to get those dreams to make it success. And surely many people can get inspired in future life of this great person. So my dear students, this was the chapter on one of the great inspiring personality, Kalpana Chawla. I'm sure you will also get inspiration from her. So in this chapter, I have told you the meaning of the difficult words and how to pronounce the difficult words. You will also read the chapter at home and learn how to pronounce the difficult words.